So what's up, everybody? Welcome to your favorite waving channel in South Africa. It's Why Not Rock Waves. I'm sorry I haven't been posting, any videos because, well, I bought a new phone and, the quality on this phone is killer, but it's hard to edit because I need to convert from WAVY to MP4 since I don't use an iMac. So y'all gotta be patient for the better quality videos. They coming soon though. Got a price list for brushes since everybody's just been brushing me about brushes. The prices for brushes are as follows. Okay guys, so with that said, if you guys want to hit me up for brushes, please make sure to hit me up on Instagram and Twitter. Hit me up with a DM. Let me know what brush you want. Then we can work out how we're going to get the brush to you, because obviously I'm gonna have to courier it to you. So please just make sure you do that if you're looking for brushes. Other than that, we can get on with the waving video for the day. Let me unrack. Okay, there's some sort of progress, So yeah guys, that's how I get my waves locked in So please like, comment, and subscribe. And please follow me on socials. It's Why Not Rock It on Instagram and Why Not Rock It on Twitter. And yeah, DM me for those brush requests. Let me know what brushes you want. And let's get wavy, bruh.